Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everybody. Welcome back once again to JJ's PC Builds. JJ with you. We got something cooking today. Something I didn't expect on a Sunday was, I guess, UPS decided to send me the first piece to this Christmas build. I just posted the video on the Christmas build not too long ago. Today we're going to, well, I can say today, yeah. Today we're going to review the case that we got for it, the Musetex K2. I got it right here. Oh, it's a big one. Look at this. It is a biggie. So this is the case I got for that build. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pause it right here, and then I'm going to pop it out of the box, because I'm limited on my room. And I hopefully next year I will have a bigger space to deal with, so this way you guys can see everything a little bit better. But for right now, we're going to pop this out of the box for you and show you what I got cooking. Ooh, doggy. It's a biggie. It's a real biggie. As you can see right here, you're probably getting a reflection off of here. But let's go ahead and take the screws out of this. I know you guys can't see real well, but I just wanted to see this $103 case to see if it's worth every bit of what it says it is. And no, I'm not doing the peels. I know that's the first thing everybody's going to ask me. You going to do the peels, Jay? No, I'm not going to do the peels on the case. I'm going to save that till the very end. Looks like we got a thick glass. Look at this. Thick old glass. And, you know, whew. We'll set this off to the side so it doesn't get broken. This has got rubber grommets on it now. See, they got rubber grommets here, all four corners. So make sure you don't lose these rubber grommets, because that's what secures your glass back to your case. So, you know, but if you don't have these grommets on here, expect it to be broke. Okay. Problem was the bias flashback button was getting stuck. Now everything's lined up. Let's unbox this. Unbox this. I've unboxed this already on a different video, so I'm just going to unbox it right now again. So, let's take this. We'll throw it out of the way. Done. Don't lose your screws, because you're going to need your screws for your case. Keep all your screws off to the side. Deep cool fans. Okay. look at the spot. If you've been put in a tight pinch yourself many times when it comes to building PCs, then, you know, it's always good to show somebody that you can get cheaper parts and still get great performance for less of a price. You know, it's always good to show people that. That is true. Doing better than most. And I'm trying to put this together and talk to you guys about it as I'm going along. Okay, so I'm only going to put the 4 screws in for now. All right, everybody. Sorry about the echo and everything else. I didn't mean to get all that in there, but I got a couple messages from people that are asking, "Where's the build for the Mustex K2?" Well, I put you a little something together, but if you're looking for the full length video, it's 15 hours. And it's all live, and you can go have a look on the live section on my page, and you'll see it. And it's the Christmas build. You got 1, 2, 3, and so on. So I put all those together. I did that build for Christmas live in 2023 for the Mustex K2. I know you were looking for that, but I put you a small little montage together to show you that I did put it together. So I took pieces from that 15-hour video. You know, it's total of 15 some odd hours. I know you guys like seeing builds in like 10 minutes or less, but I wanted to show you when I did that build that I did it from A to Z. Now, you're going to get this video here, and it's going to be a cut-down version. We're going to be cutting it down all the way down to, like, maybe 6.5 minutes. From 15 hours to 6.5 minutes. So I can give you a little montage of it, let you see it, and that way you can see it is what it is. So I hope you do appreciate me doing this for you. I know you guys were asking me. You probably can't see the live thing because you haven't subscribed yet. But if this is your first time here, make sure you subscribe. And if you've already subscribed, welcome to the family. Welcome to JJ's PC Builds. And my veteran subscribers, as always, much love to you for all that you do help and support the channel. I'm going to get out of here until the next time in the next video. This is JJ on JJ's PC Builds. We will see you on the next video.